I want to show you the best way to learn English. Talk to yourself, don't translate into English from your own language. Think in English to improve your fluency. You will find word easier to remember if you try to remember an example sentence. Use that word rather the word is down. Be confident. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The best way to learn is through speaking. Surround yourself in English, put yourself in all English speaker environment where you can learn passively. Establish a routine. Make yourself a study plan. Decide how much time a week you are going to spend on study and stick to it. Tell your family and friends about your study plan. Get them to push you, study and also don't let them to interrupt you. Use English whenever you can. It's as simple as that. If your English is still basic or lower intermediate, then don't try to read New York Times yet. It will only discourage you. Instead, look at researches as कुछ वो है special English news. We are going to listen to news, story, clear, slow English. If you are a mid-English speaker, reading children's storybook or Wikipedia, in simple English might make you feel confident if you understand every word. Why not start on a blog, share your writing with the world. Sing your heart out, show the world your beautiful voice, sing along with them to improve your fluency and intonation. Anyone for karaoke. Get a pen friend. Use chat rooms, forums, and community site. If you can't speak to someone in English, this is the next best thing. Make sure everything you do in your English study bring you closer to your goal. If your goal is to talk with native English speaker about films, then watch English films. If you want to pass an English exam, so you can study abroad, get a tutor which qualified the paper for that exam. Nobody like to hear their own voice, but you brave and try it. Record your voice and listen to your pronunciation. It will help you to identify your problem areas. Ask your helpful teacher. If you can record, listen. This is a great way to review. You can also listen to your teacher speaking speed and intonation. Find English research that much. Your goal, make sure everything you do in your English studies bring you closer to your goal. Be the person to start conversation in English. Try to keep the conversation moving and use listening word. Really, go on. What happened then? Don't wait for others to speak to you, get in there. Use of the internet. It's full of resources to help you. BBC Learning, Jennifer Banks, YouTube.com. Enjoy it, will learn more when you are having fun. Review, make sure that you take the time to review things you have studied in the past. Don't give a stay positive. Sometimes you will feel that you are not learning quickly enough. Everyone feel like this. Don't worry about it. You will get there in the end. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.